Hey everybody, Raymond here, and today I'm going to teach you of a very simple tutorial on how to change your mic audio in OBS. Now, this is for people who are having issues with their mic being too quiet on OBS, and despite having this audio mixer slider all the way up in your mic settings right here, you'll still find it a bit too quiet. So this video is for people who are having that issue that they have their mic all the way up and they're still finding their mic way too quiet. And believe me, it is a very simple fix. So all you have to do is hit this cog right here, which is the settings, and you'll find the advanced audio properties right here. So click that. And now here you'll see all this advanced audio stuff. So you'll see your desktop audio. You don't need to fool around with that. And this is the one you want to fool around with, the mic audio right here. So as you can see, I set my volume here more specifically to 300%. So this is what you really want to fool around with, is obviously the volume here. So that is why I'm loud and you guys can hear me. But if I was set to, 100%, so I'll just do that. Yeah, now you can see I'm a lot quieter, and obviously I don't like that. So I'd like to be at 300%, like so. So now I'm a lot louder, and if you want, you could test this out. Maybe you're not happy with 300%, maybe you'd like to be even a bit louder, so you could change it to 400%, but honestly, I found that a bit too loud, so I will change it to 300%. So you can just fool around with that, and whatever you're happy with, that's the setting you should go with. So just test it out, and just make sure you're not too loud to the point where you destroy microphones. So once you're happy with the volume setting you're at and you find yourself to be loud enough, you just hit close, and that is that. And that is all you need to do to make your mic louder. So that is pretty much it for this tutorial. Leave a like and comment down below. I hope this all helped you, and if you have any questions or if this somehow didn't help you, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Thank you all and Happy New Year. Peace.